Good evening, everyone. Today, I am going to tell you the fact behind BJP's defeat in 2021 assembly elections in West Bengal. It seems that the Bharatiya Janata Party has not learned any lesson from its previous experience that happened in West Bengal in 2021. I am going to tell you what happened actually prior to 2021 assembly elections and why BJP was defeated and it could not get its target of 200 seats, but it failed to get that much number, and it had to be satisfied by receiving or by getting only 77 seats. All right, why BJP did not win the elections, and why the CPIM and Congress were revanced from the assembly in 2021 assembly elections. All right, I'm going to tell you about that.